Welcome to the 2025 Hershey RV Show. Today we're going to show you a new floor plan from Bullet.
Hi folks, I'm Dustin Nicholas, Northeast Sales Manager for Keystone Bullet. Today we're standing in front of our 28 QBC, our brand new floor plan for 2026. So a couple of new changes that we added. We brought back the power tongue jack, brought back solid steps. We added the new edge view lights on the front, aluminum wheels. Those are just a few things that we changed on the new Classic for 2026, amongst some other things on the inside. All right, on the front, we're going to do the power tongue jack we brought back for 2026. We're going to do two 20-pound tanks opposed to one 20-pound tank. Do the new edge view lights, which are on a dimmer. These are going to be standard across the line in all of our Bullet lines. Nice thing about these is you can turn them on. You got plenty of light here for the front of your campsite. Them also on a dimmer, so you can dim them down at night, so you're not offending all your neighbors at the campsite. Big, large, solid pass-through all the way through. We're going to have everything storage up top, all your convenience features. Put those on the wall for easy access so they're not laying on the base of your floor. Stabilizer jacks, easy manual stabilizer jacks, which are easy to get to. Electric awning, standard on everything. LED lights in the track, not in the tube, so you can turn your lights on without touching your awning. New glass doors. Nice thing about the glass doors, they're a lot heavier. A built-in shade inside, and you can see how easy they slam and seal. Solid steps. We went to the new composite steps for 2026. Nice thing about going to the new composite steps is, one, they're lighter than the old steps we were using. Then you're also going to notice on the top all the holes inside. So all the debris and the dirt getting on top is all going to fall through. It's not going to sit on the steps. So when you flip your steps up, everything's going to go inside. Yep. So it's going to catch everything and stay on the outside. Aluminum wheels we brought back for all of our models and Bullets. So aluminum wheels are now going to be standard on all of our Bullets. On this 28 QBC, we've got all of our big pass-through storage in the back. It wraps around, so you have access from this side and on the off-door side. So it's a big U-shaped storage. So as you come in the 28 QBC, you're going to notice we got our big bedroom here off to the right when you come in. Large queen bed standard. We went to the new inner foam mattress instead of the inner spring mattress, so it's a little bit more sturdier, and it's going to sleep a lot easier. Big thing about this floor plan is it'll sleep 10 people. It only weighs about 6,000 pounds. So we're really the only manufacturers out here that are still doing the 4 queen beds, and we'll talk about that when we get to the back. But you've got your trifold here, which will sleep 2. We go to the huge U-shaped dinette, which you could break down, which you could still sleep 2 in the back. L-shaped kitchen. TVs now are standard. We go to the large kitchen sink with the the gooseneck nozzle. That's all standard. Upgraded hardware throughout. Hidden hinges, so it's all residential. And then the upgraded hardware throughout.
Looking for a fast setup solution for winter camping? Airskirts is the perfect way to keep cold air away from the undercarriage of your RV, keeping your rig warmer while cutting down on heating costs and helping to keep pipes from freezing. Airskirts are made from a military-grade material designed to resist punctures. It takes less than an hour to set them up, a time saver compared to traditional skirting or foam board. This is the quickest, most hassle-free option for winter camping, and you don't have to drill into your rig. The Airskirts fit snugly because they are customized to fit your rig for maximum air blockage. They also carry a variety of additional accessories to ensure a warm and cozy winter in your RV. Visit airskirts.com and use our promo code John and Mandy at checkout for a discount.
Large 12-volt refrigerator. So we do have solar prepped on this, so that'll run your refrigerator, all your LED lights, your slide out, your awning, all that'll run right off of solar. 2-burner range was added, and we also added the convection air fryer microwave. So all that's added for 2026. So as we come to the back, you're going to notice in the bathroom, we went to the full tub surround, and then we added the big, large skylight above the shower. So, the larger gentleman can sit in there and not feel cramped. And then the biggest feature that sells this floor plan is our 4 quad bunks. So you got 2 in the queen bed up front, 2 in the trifold sofa, 2 in the U-shaped, and then we got 4 here in the bunkhouse. You're also going to notice up top next to the skylight that is prepped for a second AC. So customers that want to go south for the summer, we can add a 13.5 drop-in AC back there to keep it nice and cool for all the kids. We got a large pantry here. It's kind of utilizing the space, kind of ties everything in together, brings the slide out back to the back bedroom. So a big, large, huge pantry throughout.
Nice. Now, to slide in, are you still able to get into the bathroom? Or?
No, this is going to come. This is a big 36-inch slide. That's going to come into probably right about here.
Okay.
So it's going to come in right to the edge of the countertop there. So it's going to make it pretty tight. But like I said, it's just a matter of pushing a button to get in and out.
Right.
So, well, thanks, folks. Thanks for coming through our new 26 Keystone Bullet Classic 28 QBC. Thanks for spending some time with us. My name's Dustin Nicholas, Northeast District Sales Manager for Keystone Bullet. Any more questions, you guys check out our website at KeystoneRV.com. Go to the Bullet Classic link. It'll give you all the information about the specs, the floor plans, and the different options available for 2026.
Appreciate it, Dustin. Thanks for taking us on this tour and showing us this new floor plan.
All right, yeah, thank you guys for your time.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, then please leave them down in the comment section below. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.